welcome back to Rachel Crafts. Rachel here, hope you're all well. I hope you can hear me okay. So I'm coming to you today from my new craft room in our new house. I'm sorry I haven't been on for a little while. It's been quite a hectic and crazy last couple of weeks. And of course, with Christmas around the corner, that's kind of exacerbated the craziness a little bit. But I just wanted to pop on to do the much-awaited giveaway. My apologies for making you all wait so long. Obviously, we've been waiting for our broadband to be switched on and just lots of other things going on. But we're here, finally. So, without further ado, can I just thank all of the collaborators that were involved in the Christmas collaboration, and thank you to all of the viewers who have subscribed, commented and liked and shared the videos that were created by the collaborators and myself. I'm Bella. We had so much fun doing this collaboration, and it's been really lovely to read all of your lovely feedback and your comments. So I'm going to quickly go through, we've got a list here of all of the prizes that have been donated and who they've been donated by. We have got 23 prizes in total. Oh my goodness gracious me. Okay, so I'm going to whiz through this as fast as I can for you. What I've done is I've gone to the collaboration page that is hosted on our website. And I've just come down and I'm just randomly picking a video. I have already picked out a video because I wanted to just check if it was all going to work. The video that I have picked is the video from Boho Needs. I've taken the link from her video and I've popped it into the YouTube random comment picker. There's the URL for that there, and I've loaded it in and we are now ready to go. So the first prize that we'll be picking out will be for somebody to have 12 months of kits from Rachel Bella Craft Shop. What that means is that every month you will message me and I will send you a gift, a kit of your choice. So for the first prize, let us find out who has won. Oh, congratulations to you, Kirsten Davis. Brilliant. So you have won the 12 months kit from myself. If you could just drop me a message, preferably perhaps on my Etsy shop or my Ko-fi shop. Just pick one of the mediums and we'll stick with that throughout the year, and you can just drop me a message and let me know which one you would like. Okay, so for the next prize we have got the mini journal from Nelda's Crafts and Inspirations, and let's see if I can, here we go, pick another winner. Start, off we go. So the next winner is Barbara Girard. I think that's the name on there. Okay, Barbara, if you could drop a message to Nelda at Nelda's Crafts and Inspirations. If you could drop her a message either via her Facebook page or over on her YouTube channel, and you two can kind of, you know, conflab and exchange details. The next prize is a folio from Beth's Journal Boutique. Let's go down and pick another winner. Here we go. Oh, Laurel's Letters, congratulations. So you have won the folio from Beth's Journal Boutique. And again, if you could do the same thing, get in touch with her via either her YouTube channel or if she's got her Instagram page, knock her a message there. Let's see, now we've got a journal from Linda at Beyond Brass. And who has won the journal from Linda? Lisa Smith, congratulations to you. Amazing, there we go. So if you could do the same and drop Linda a message there over at Beyond Brass. And we have one more journal as well. My gosh, all these journals this year. From Tara at the Paper Whisper. And the winner of that is Cal Kath. So congratulations to you. Now, just to warn you guys, there have been some issues with post in Canada. And not only that, but of course we are now a week before Christmas. So don't envisage that these journals and folios are going to get sent out to you now before Christmas. I would be advising the ladies to hang on now until after the Christmas post. And they will get those out to you now in the new year, just so that they don't go missing or get lost, all right? So that'll be something for you to look forward to in the new year. Okay, so the next 4 winners now will win a pack of hand-dyed papers from Marnell Mimi's Keepsakes, and I'm going to just quickly now pull another 4 winners out. So here we go. The first pack of papers is Jessica Hayes, congratulations. And the next one is Lynn Rex, congratulations to you too. And the next winner is Teresa Powell. Well done, congratulations to you. And the next winner is the Paper Shed UK. Congratulations. So that's 4 of you. If you can all drop Manel at Mimi's Keepsakes a message and she will arrange with you about getting those prizes to you. Okay, so the next 5 winners that I draw will each win a digital kit from Lydia at Raindrop Leela. So I'm going to pick out now 5 winners very quickly. And again, the same, guys, if you can go in contact. Oh, well done, Di Kelty. I hope I said that right. Or Dal Kelty. It's very difficult sometimes reading your YouTube names, guys. And the next one is Susie's Scrapbook. Excellent. Congratulations to you. So that's number 2. And then we want another 3 now. And we've got Lilac Theme Crafts. If you could drop a message to Lydia at Raindrop Leela. And 2 more. Nicola Baron 6605, congratulations to you. And the last one to win a digital kit from Lydia at Raindrop Leela is the Paper Whisper. Congratulations. Okay guys, so if you can all drop Lydia a message either via Instagram or YouTube, whichever is your choice, but you know, she'll be looking out for your message. So the next one, we've got 2 winners now to win a kit from Nigeza Creates. So who will it be? Kelly Morrison, congratulations. And we have another winner then for Jez's kit. And we have Donna Gower. Oh, congratulations, Donna. Okay, guys, so if you could drop Jez a message at Nigeza Creates. Again, also, guys, if you don't get messages straight back from the ladies, please also just bear in mind, you know, it is Christmas time now. So drop them a message and they'll get back to you now when they've got a moment, I'm sure. Because I know a lot of the guys will be down in tools now to spend much needed time with their families. Okay, we've got 2 more digital kits up for grabs now from Belinda at Visualized NZ. So the first winner is Carol Thomas. Congratulations. And the second winner is Eugenia Wathney, is that right? There we go. Congratulations to you. So if you can both get in touch with Belinda at Visualized NZ, she will sort you out with a digital kit. The next 2 winners will win digital kits from Angela Kerr. So who have we got here? Joyce Mayer. Oh, congratulations. There you go, my lovely. You have won a kit from Angela. And then the second person is Pamela Eulis, is that right? Congratulations to you too as well, my lovely. So if you could both drop Angela Kerr a message, she will sort you out with those digital kits. Now we have 3 more physical items now. We've got some lovely bead dangles from Wendy Townsend. And the winner of those is Anna Patron, oh my goodness, Patrocinio. Did I say that right? I hope so. Anna, congratulations. If you could get in touch with Wendy Townsend, she will sort you out with those bead dangles. And then we've got Christmas tree tags from Pam at Silver and Sparkles. Congratulations, Kristen Davis. They are yours. If you could drop Pam a message over at Silver and Sparkles. And the final prize in the giveaway is a Happy Mail bundle from Marie at Crafty Landing. And that goes to you, Outer Rimats. Have I read that right? Congratulations. Now, Marie has been a victim of the storm we recently had, which I've now forgotten the name of, began with a D. She lives down in the south of England, the Cornwall way, Devon, Cornwall, and they have had horrendous rain. She's had no electric, she's had no broadband. So please do be patient with her. Drop her a message and I know she will get in touch with you in the new year. So that's it, guys. So a huge, massive thank you to everybody that took part and that has won a prize. Congratulations to all of you winners. As I say, drop the donators of the prizes a message and they will get in touch with you as and when they are able. Okay, we also have some Friday freebies for this week for you. I will put those up in the video for you to see now. Unfortunately, my printer is not connected at the moment here, so I haven't been able to print them off, but I have done you some lovely freebies if you want to check those out now. Okay, so those freebies are to match the dusky pink vintage kit that I showed you all in my last video, where I did the giveaway with the lovely little cards and the pockets and the numbers. If you remember, we made this beautiful journal, which I've been using as my Advent journal. So I've been turning them around on the appropriate day. In fact, saying that, I don't think I've done today. So what date is it today? It's the 20th. Let's have a look. I've done, no, I haven't done today's. Here we go. What have we got for today? May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him. Oh, there we are, Romans. Lots of lovely, encouraging verses there. So I've really enjoyed working with this journal. And it's been lovely to see some projects from you guys using the papers. They are still on sale. So guys, if you want to get yourself a bargain, do go over to our Ko-fi shop or our website, where you'll find the kits are still on sale, and I hope you have fun working with the freebies that you've got for today. Now, one last thing before I go. I was sent the most beautiful journal as a Happy Mail gift by the lovely Stacy. Her YouTube, no, she hasn't got YouTube, she's got an Etsy shop called Made by StacyAnn. And I bought a journal from her last Christmas, which I just loved, and I did do a share of it. So you will, if you wanted to have a look at that, go back and have a look at my videos from last year and you'll find that there. But she very kindly sent me this beautiful journal this year, just because she's just super kind. And I absolutely loved it, and I received it just before moving house, so it got packed away pretty quickly and I didn't get a chance to show you all, but I want to just share this beautiful little project with you. Look at that little door. Isn't that absolutely delightful? I love it. So I'm going to just give you a quick flip through, guys, of this stunning journal. Now, I'm hoping some of you will, if not all of you, will recognise the kit that she's used, because she's actually worked with the lovely Timeless Christmas collection kit that we used for last year's collaboration. So she's got that lovely notebook in the front there. I just love these papers, and I also love that she's done this really lovely effect of taking the corners off all of the pages, which we know must take a long time. Her journals are exquisite. That's all I've got to say. Absolutely love them. I was so excited when she emailed me and said, "Is your address still the same?" And I was like, "Oh, what? I thought you were going to send me the Happy Mail." I was so happy. I was so happy, because I was having such a rotten few weeks, and yeah, it was just lovely to have something beautiful like this sent through the post. And like I say, her attention to detail is just stunning. She does sell journals in her Etsy shop, so do go and check them out if you get the chance. I will pop the link down below. The cold weather season sunlight houses nature's enchantment. Ooh. Well, I tell you what, guys, it is definitely cold here at the moment. I'm sure some of you are getting it cold. I know Lenore's got snow in Canada, and her temperatures are much colder than ours. But for us where we are, it is pretty chilly here. So I've had my heating on today, which I do begrudge doing a bit, but needs must. I've been perished all day. So there we are. Didn't get enough sleep, I think, last night. But I just love what she's done with this journal. You've got these little pockets in here, little envelopes then that she's made. And then inside, then you've got all these gorgeous little details. And there's just so much attention to detail throughout the whole thing. And like I say, it's just so lovely seeing somebody using my papers, because I don't often get the opportunity to see that. So yeah, it was really lovely. She's got some lovely bits and pieces of ephemera in here as well. I don't know what paper or card she's using, but it's lovely and thick. And of course, that's lovely, like embossed paper on the back of there. But everything feels really sturdy, you know. And she's got these lovely placard plates on there too, and the little window seams. Like I say, just lots and lots of little details. There's lots of space in here for writing in as well. As you all know, I will not write in this journal because my handwriting is just too appalling. And I wouldn't want to ruin a beautiful piece of art like this. But it really is a lovely journal to capture all those Christmas memories, should you want to write them down. Look at this little window she's put in here. How cute is that? See, you're looking through to the page behind then, the little house. Just really lovely ideas and details in here. Again, nice to have some little tags to write some little bits and pieces on. You know, if you want to write down lists perhaps of what you had for your Christmas presents, or what you bought for your Christmas presents. It's just always lovely, isn't it, to have a keepsake, particularly this time of year, I think, more so than any other. A travel journal is nice, but a Christmas one is just so special because these are the ones that you'll definitely want to look back on year after year after year, I think. I know I've been through my previous Christmas journals this year whilst I was unpacking all my stuff. And yeah, it's just lovely to be able to look back and see all of the memories. So yeah, I just wanted to share this lovely journal with you all and show you all of the clever, cute little ideas. Look at this. How cute is that? And when it came, each thing that had a raised thing on it, there was a piece of Jiffy paper on there, bubble wrap. It was meticulously packaged, meticulously. And all these little wooden, the nutcrackers. Absolutely fantastic little dictionary, what are they called? Definitions, that's the word, for words and things to add. But absolutely beautiful. And then we've got this little dress in the back and then some of the tags from the kit. It's just absolutely wonderful. A real pleasure it was to have a flip through, and there's some more writing paper, and I'm not going to do that bow or I won't get it back done up. But that is just lovely. Really enjoyed looking through that. Thank you so much, Stacey, for your kind thoughtfulness, and I really did appreciate that, and it came at just the right time for me, so thank you very much. And it was lovely because that's the, for Happy Mail, especially when I was moving, I was thinking, if I'd had any cards sent or whatever, I wouldn't have had them. But like I say, this came at just the right time. So I hope you have all enjoyed working in the collaboration. I hope you all managed to get some stuff done and follow some of the projects. Let me just zoom out for you a little bit there. This is the journal that I was working on for the collab, and I'm like almost done with it. I've put in some, I've done my tags. I just stacks and stacks of tags, and I've put in some lovely big pockets that I've used book pages with, just to use those backing pages, and a few of the things that we've made so far. But I've just got some more bits and pieces now to stick in from projects that I made, and then she is good to go. And again, then that was my one that I made for my advent. So I was very pleased because I managed to get quite a few bits done. Oh, and of course this one as well. Oops, I forgot about that. We made this one too, didn't we? Right at the beginning. So yeah, it was. It's been a real a whirlwind, I would say, of a collaboration. But just wanted to say a massive thank you to all. Also, a huge thank you for all your messages from my last video. And if I can just reiterate, things are still very uncertain at the moment. So I'm not quite sure how regular I'm going to be with videos at the moment. But would just really appreciate your support. If you could continue to watch some of the previous videos that we've got up. There's lots of videos on my channel now. And help in any way that you can, leaving likes, comments, and just sharing videos. I really would appreciate that. So thank you so much. I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you'll have a wonderful time celebrating with your families, or whatever you are doing this Christmas season. I know it's not always an easy time for everybody, but just know that we, the community, are here for you all. Our Facebook pages are open, and if you do find yourself on your own, don't ever be afraid to drop a message, and somebody will ping you one straight back. I am certain of that. Other than that, have a wonderful week, and I will be back with you hopefully before the new year with some more Friday freebies. I'll see you all very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.